Welcome back to Cosmic Galaxy. A galaxy is a massive system of gravitationally bound together stars, planets, gas, and dust. Our solar system, for example, is part of the Milky Way galaxy, which is thought to contain more than 100 billion other stars. And the universe as a whole is thought to contain up to 2 trillion different galaxies. In this video, we'll talk about top 5 strangest galaxies in the universe. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Most galaxies are classified and are either spiral-shaped like the Milky Way, elliptical, or irregular in shape. Some galaxies, however, defy all attempts at classification. While some strange and bizarre galaxies are the result of gravitational interactions with other more massive and sometimes less massive objects, they all share one feature. They resemble artists' impressions rather than real, tangible collections of billions of stars. Number 1. The Black Eye Galaxy, M64. M64 perfectly exemplifies how a galaxy can take on an evil aspect. Although there are many colorful galaxies, this one is reminiscent of the garish pulp science fiction magazine covers of the 1950s. The red color is derived from hydrogen, implying that new stars are forming in large numbers. But what is truly strange is that the objects are made up of 2 opposing rotating systems. The inner part of the system rotates in one direction, while the stars and dust in the outer parts rotate in the opposite direction to a distance of about 40,000 light-years. Number 2. The Southern Pinwheel M83. There are many beautiful galaxies in the universe, but M83 is one of the most beautiful. Even if beauty is only in the eye of the beholder, what distinguishes this galaxy is the large number of supernova explosions that occurred within it. There are currently 8 active supernovas being studied, but the remains of hundreds of more have been discovered. The reasons for the large number of supernovas are unknown, but the large number of active star formation regions, shown in pink, is. The pink color is caused by the massive amount of UV light emitted by millions of young, new stars, which interacts with surrounding clouds of gas and dust. Number 3. Sombrero Galaxy, M104. The central bulge or nucleus of a galaxy is composed of a single homogeneous collection of stars. However, in the case of the Sombrero Galaxy, the nucleus is made up of several distinct clusters of stars, which are not visible in optical light. Astronomers are also baffled by the presence of the dust lane that encircles the core, but the intricate detail in the dust lane is even more perplexing. The origin and nature of the dust lane are being investigated, but a definitive answer appears to be a long way off. Number 4. Centaurus A, NGC 5128. Conventional wisdom holds that a large galaxy can only be spiral or elliptical, not both, which is what makes Centaurus A such a strange beast. Centaurus A appears to be a massive elliptical galaxy in optical light, but at higher frequencies, a deeply buried spiral emerges. The spiral component is thought to be the remains of a spiral galaxy that was absorbed by the larger and more massive elliptical, but the interaction is highly unlikely to have left the spiral intact, or even recognizable. The preserved spiral structure is clearly visible in the image above, but only because it was captured in multiple X-ray frequencies and then enhanced. Number 5. NGC 474. If the Southern Pinwheel Galaxy represents what active galaxies should look like, NGC 474 represents what they should not look like. This is not an artist's rendition of a science fiction novel's cover, but a real galaxy being torn apart by the tidal influences of the spiral galaxy behind and above it. However, we know that many, if not most, known galaxies have similar gas shells around them, as a direct result of collisions or near misses with other galaxies in the recent past. Because of the tenuous shells of gas and dust that give this galaxy the appearance of a jellyfish. Thank you for watching the video.